Black. Work in the chain 1 space of the round 6 of the corner. One half double crochet. Chains 2. 1/2 double crochet. Continue working 1/2 double crochet front post in each puff of the corner and 2 half double crochets between the puffs. In total, 6 half double crochets front post in 12 half double crochets. One half double crochet front post in the next puff of the round 34. One triple crochet front post in the puff of the round 32. Nineteen half double crochets in the stitches of the round 34. Continue working 1 triple crochet front post in the puff of the round 32 y 1/2 double crochet front post in the puffs of the round 34 and 2 half double crochets in the chain 1 space of the same round. This sequence repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Total. 8 triple crochets front post. 48 half double crochets front post. 180 half double crochets. 4 chains 2. Black. Work in the chains 2 space of the round 1, 2 half double crochets separated by chains 2. "59 half double crochets front post and then repeat this sequence 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Total. 236 half double crochets front post. 8 half double crochets. 4 chains 2. Parchment. Bring forward chains 3 of the round 33 and work 2 puffs separated by chains 2. "59 half double crochets front post worked in the back loop of the round 1. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. Total 8 puffs, 236 half double crochets front post, 4 chains 2. Parchment. Start in the first puff of the round 3. One half double crochet front post. Chains 3. 1 half double crochet front post. (61 half double crochets front post). Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch into the first half double crochet front post. Total 248 half double crochets front post, 4 chains 3. Khaki. Bring forward chains 2 of the round 3 and work in the space 2 puffs separated by chains 2. (62 half double crochets in the back loop of the round 4. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. Total 8 puffs, 4 chains 2. 248 half double crochets. Khaki. One half double crochets front post in the first puff of the round 5. Chains 3. 1/2 double crochets front post and next puff. 62 half double crochets front post in the next stitches of the round 5. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first half double crochets front post. Total 256 half double crochets front post. 4 chains 3.